In today's video, you'll learn how to make a homemade tea and cough syrup to boost immunity. To make this syrup, we need 3 bay leaves. Chop the bay leaves into small pieces. Put them in a pot and add 250 milliliters of water. If you want, add 5 centimeters of peeled and diced ginger root. When the water boils, reduce the heat to minimum and let boil for another 4 to 5 minutes. After this time, turn off the heat and strain the tea. If desired, add a teaspoon of honey and stir it. Then add the juice of half a lemon. To make the syrup with bay leaves, you need 8 bay leaves. Bring 250 milliliters of water to a boil. When it boils, add the whole bay leaves. Reduce the heat to low, cover and let the tea simmer for 5 to 6 minutes. After this time, strain the tea and add 6 tablespoons of honey and stir well so that all the honey dissolves in the tea. Then add the juice of 1 lemon, stir well, and pour it into a jar or glass jug.